Hello all, I am Rakesh. I am pursuing Computer Science and Engineering in Welltech Multitech Dr. Rangarajan, Dr. Sakuntala Engineering College. My teammates are Karthik Raja M, Naveen Bala K. A. Our project is the decision of networks accessibility using machine learning. In this project, our aim to protect industrial IoT devices from networks accessibility using machine learning. As we all know, industrial IoT devices are more costly. When any attacks are happen to these devices, that causes machine failure, that cause huge loss to industry. To avoid this loss, we are using machine learning to detect and block the network attacks in industrial IoT devices. That will help to prevent mission before failure. It is used to seek out the vulnerability among the gadgets related to industrial IoT. It is utilizing machine learning. It is going to make a survey and restrict to stopping it and alerting the controller. Industrial IoT is a mission which is used in industries where a large amount of data is carried out. So it is a most effective way to detect and seek out the network vulnerability. In existing system, they are using SCADA for attack detection. This method is used to take survey of how many attacks are happened on specific time. Even it detects the attack, it won't block them. This caused machine damage or even machine failure. Problem in this extension system is accuracy is very low and it won't block the attacks. It causes a machine damage. These are the papers we studied for our literature survey. To overcome this problem, to overcome the problem in existing system, we are using the vector mission algorithm, which is used to classify the good good norms in mission and bad norms, which are the concept of machine learning, which are used to detect the attacks and notify admin at the time the attack is happening. This helps admin to block the attack before the system failure. Advantages in our advantages in our proposed system is our accuracy is very high when compared to the existing system. It uses a support vector mission algorithm which is more powerful. We see this is a flow diagram as of our project, where the admin is the person who is always notified for the is always monitors the industrial IoT mission where the attack is happened or not. Server is the mission which is fitted with a machine learning program, which also monitors the IoT mission. When attacker attack the mission with their attack, server find that attack is happening in the IoT mission, and then at the time of attack is happening, monitor it notifies to the admin and the controller. It helps admin to block the attack and it will block the attack and at the time of attack is happening. Mm, mm. Our modules in the project are node creation and network formation, IoT values to controller and server, attacks to IoT server, notifying the unman, admin and block the attack. Node creation and network formation. Here we are creating network consists of nodes. These nodes are act as IoT missions, mm, where each node acts as a IoT industrial IoT missions. But the values of these IoT machines is sent to controller and server, which is helpful to monitor for the attack to controller and server. Attacks to IoT server. In this model, attacks are happening in the IoT machine. Attacker attacks the machine, notify the admin and blocking the attacks. In this module, uh, server and controller finds that attack is happening in the mission and notifies the controller and admin. This helps in this module. It helps to block the attacks at the time of attack is happening. Requirements. Our software requirements are Windows 7 or above, JDK 1.7, Tomcat 7.0, MySQL. Our hardware requirements are hard disk which is 80 GB or above, RAM 4 GB or above, processor Penta 4 or above. This is a screenshot. Our module is started with a menu which is admin or attacker. This is a control unit where all the control of the missions is acquired. Where controller control the mission. This is the database record where mission is running. It is also called it is a database of mission running positively. This is an attacker server where attacker leads to attack, DOS attack, SQL injection, backdoor attack. If the attacker attack the system, server finds that attack is happening and notifies the admin. As we said here, I want to conclude that our proposed system is effective way uh, to detect the network accessibility in that are happening in IoT devices using vector machine algorithm in machine learning. Thank you.